Hello, traders and investors. This is PennyStockRain.com, and we are going to be discussing Pspw. That is Prime Sun Power Incorporated, listed on the bulletin boards. A couple of reasons why I wanted to check out this particular chart is because of the bull flag right here. See the pole, see the flag, and then you see the spike up. These are patterns that we need to see. These are patterns that we want to check out, especially when it has nice volume. If you look right here, past month or so, it has had some nice volume. Now, price often precedes volume. So we're definitely checking this particular one out because of the volume, because of the actually long-term volume that it's had. Parabolic SARs, these little dots underneath the candles right here. You see about 6, 7 of them right here. That is underneath the candle, and that is bullish. When they're above the candles, as you can see right here, that is confirmation of a downtrend. But right now, while they're underneath the candles, that's confirmation of an uptrend. Also, we have broke above the 50-day moving average right here. You can see this blue line right here. That is the 50-day moving average. So where do we go from here when we see a good chart like this particular chart where the relative strength index isn't overbought, isn't oversold, and we see a consolidation pattern in a bull flag like this with continuation in volume? Well, we look at the points of support and the points of resistance. Here's a support level right here, which was our prior resistance level. That has become support. Now, we want to see our resistance level. Resistance levels pretty much at the top. You can tell it has tested this and retraced. Also back here, a little bit above that, right about here. Let's just call this our resistance level for the sake of argument, because it did test twice right here. And when you had a little breakout right here, you did have some volume come into the stock. Now, again, I am not a financial advisor. Please stop by PennyStockRain.com and sign up today. It's free. Thanks. Bye. Hello, traders and investors. This is Buy It Trade It for PennyStockRain.com. Today I will be discussing PPBL, that is Premier Publishing Group Incorporated, listed on the bulletin boards. A couple things about this chart that I've already pointed out is the volume. Volume often precedes price action. In other words, when you see a lot of volume like this, you should see some nice price action. Also, your parabolic SAR, which is one of my favorite indicators, on the daily chart is below the candles. When you see it below the candles, that is the beginning of an uptrend. That is something that you want to watch. When it is above the candles, as you can see right here, that is the beginning of a downtrend. So we want to watch our parabolic SAR right here, and we also want to watch our volume, which is pretty awesome. We haven't had volume like that since August. And a couple other things, we've been in an uptrend since the beginning, well, middle of November, end of November, right here, which is looking pretty nice. And we want to check our support levels and our resistance levels real quick. See where that 50-day moving average is right there, that blue line? Well, right about there is our support level. That's something that we want to watch. We also had a breakout above a resistance level, and I know that this is pretty tiny right here, but it's right there. Notice how when you got above that resistance level, this particular channel right here, you had a nice increase in volume. Plus, we're trending above the blue line, which is the 50-day moving average, and that's something else we want to watch. Now, this is something that we need to be aware of and we need to follow. It's this right here. Right now, we're not overbought in the relative strength index or RSI, but in fact, it still has some room to go. If you look at it, it's been much higher. 90 would be real overbought. Right now, we're just trending right above the median range. So I would say to watch this as well. This is a very bullish sign right here, and this is a very bullish sign, but we need to keep an eye on this right here. Now, if you look at the pattern, overall pattern, you can kind of see a shoulder right here, a head right here, and another shoulder that's formed right here. That would be a reverse head and shoulders pattern, which is very bullish. You got to go for your points. 1, 2, and here's your third point right there. Now, in order for it to form that pattern, it would have to break right above here, which is a nickel, and you would have to see a break above this right here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am Buy It Trade It from PennyStockRain.com. please stop by today and sign up. Thanks.